Alright, here's this Holmes Blizzard. The table that was over there is gone now. They got these two new fridges and they threw out the other table, from what I've been told. So there's the only area I'm going to be able to test them for now. So the plugs over there don't seem to work. But yeah, here's this little Holmes Blizzard Junior or Little Blizzard, whatever it's called. Seems to be a newer one. It has an ETL listing instead of a UL one. Actually, I don't even think these had UL stickers, but yeah, it seems to not be in the best shape compared to the other two, the one that I had tested before and the one that I got. But it does work. It's low. Still moves good there regardless. Also, up there on the fans and registers, I actually found out that they don't sell them at the end of the season. They actually keep them. The person who told me that she used to be up front, they used to do that, but now they don't do that anymore. That was in the past that they used to do that. So yeah. So I won't be able to get to any of them. I was gonna try to buy them, but since they actually keep them, I guess that won't be happening. But I guess we need a chance to keep them in good shape. So yeah. Definitely needs a good cleaning, but I'm not gonna clean it up since it's definitely gonna be sold. Too much air because it's dirty. Gets cleaned up, I would definitely move more air. Right. Holmes is definitely a brand that comes in all the time. So yep. That'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and stay tuned for more videos to come.